We're doing a bottom feed fuel tank conversion on the Pantera here. So what we're going to do is drain the tank, and then we got an AN10 banjo that's going to hook onto the fuel tank right there, and that is going to feed into an Aeromotive 10 micron filter that's got a built-in shutoff, so we can shut this off and drain it if we need to. And that crosses over and goes to the fuel pump. The fuel pump connects to a 10 micron post filter, and that goes to a braided line that's snuck up behind the shield and goes up to the fuel system. So let's take a look up top and see what we got going on there. Okay. I just changed the transaxle fluid, and I used the Redline 75W90. We'll see how that works. So over in the back here, I got the fuel line coming up through the heat shield, and that is going to come over and hook up to the throttle body right here. That's going to hook on there. So let's get these lines hooked up. Let's get some new plugs in it. I might replace the oxygen sensor, which is down there, but everything's getting pretty cleaned up and almost ready to fire up. Alright, see you on the next video. Okay, so here's just a view from another angle. You can see the fuel pumps over here. That fuel line is tucked up, way up out of the way. That banjo bolt hooks right there. All the lines are way above the lowest part of the chassis. Anyways, should be a good fit. Okay, got the battery hooked up and charged. You can see I run a vacuum pump in here with a reservoir because I got low vacuum. Anyways, this setup works really well. No lack of vacuum with this thing. Alright, let's see if everything powers up and all the instruments come up. Alright, let's see if we got power here. Yep. Instruments come on. Alrighty, let's see what we got. Vacuum pump comes up. Alright. Let's get some fuel lines made, some spark plugs in, and see if we can get this thing going. Okay, after we get the Pantera going, this is going to be the next project to get fired up. This will be a real challenge.